What's going on, everyone? Today's the 28th of July, 2023. Here to talk about AMD because earnings is coming up, and the earnings release, which is right here, due to come out on the 1st of August, 2023, could possibly move the market to the downside. Could be, maybe, who knows? But the market in AMD has just merely consolidated. So I'm kind of looking forward to the market to do just that until earnings is due to be released to actually move this market out of this rut. It's just been consolidating, holding support at 109, hitting resistance up there around 122. I had this price prediction on the chart in AMD since the 3rd of July, and there's been a couple of days to which price has hit our targets. It hasn't hit our ultimate TP price around like 125, but it did hit around 120 twice. So hopefully you was able to grab some target profit out of the market at around 3.5% on the 14th and then again on the 19th of July, because we may actually begin to see this market in AMD go lower. What do you think? Will this be the culprit to actually break this market in AMD from consolidating to actually coming back down in price? Do you think the chart is going to give us a heads up? Here's AMD on the 2-day chart, and I really don't see anything off the price bars that will represent the market showing the strength. I'm not seeing it. Now, the only good thing off of this 2-day time frame is the fact that buyers has maintained price above 108. That's fantastic. That's great. But the catalyst that can make those buyers leave 108 would be this earnings release. Okay? Because I'm not seeing a lot of strength off the charts in AMD. You take a look at this on the 3-day chart as well. You don't see any strength. Not in terms of price bar, but sometimes the only strength that you need in order to move price, we're just seeing this and how price is being very negligent in going down. Because these price bars of weakness, the market should be doing that. It should be going down, but it's not. Here's AMD on the 5-day time frame. Okay. Look at AMD on the weekly. This weekly price bar tells you that the market is generally weak. And when you look at this as a whole, when you look at these weekly price bars here as a whole, it doesn't look bullish. I'm just saying, it doesn't look bullish. Look at AMD on the 2 weeks. 8 hours and 51 minutes left on this current 2-week price bar. And at the ending of today, seeing AMD close on the low end of the bar, I have to suspect that the sellers has a greater chance of moving the market to the downside than the buyers do. Okay, here it is on the 3. 8 hours and 50 minutes left on this current 3-week price bar, and that still looks weak. Okay, so the only thing that I would say that is keeping me from actually putting a price prediction looking for AMD to go down is the fact that price is holding 108. That's the only thing. Because outside of the market buyers holding 108 right now, oh yeah, AMD has a high probability of going lower. Most definitely. Off of the price chart, that is exactly what it's reflecting. But obviously, somebody has so much conviction. Somebody, a couple of the market participants, has so much conviction that it's not going down. So it's going to take those market participants with that much conviction to continually to do just that in order to hold AMD's price from falling. Once those market participants actually leave the market, they get finished, they're done, they're like, I give up, I'm through with trying to purchase AMD because there's too many people on the opposite side of the market that's selling to me. He's just going to get up and leave. And once those market participants get up and leave, that's when you'll see price go down. Okay. So let me see this. Here it is on the hourly chart real quick. Okay. So I will say this. Currently, we're getting some strength into the market in AMD, telling me that buyers are currently still present. If the price in AMD doesn't go above 117.50, right here. Okay. I'm going to show it to you. If the market in AMD does not trade above this line right here, the market is weak. Okay. So I'm going to hold this line here as a reference point because I'm telling you that now. The buyers needs to take price up here to 117.50 and let it close above it. If that happens, then my idea as it stands now of AMD going lower, it's not going to happen. Okay. So I'm not going to change my price prediction right now, but I'm here to tell you from the price chart perspective that market weakness is definitely in the market for AMD. The buyers on their other end has done a fantastic job of holding it though. Like I can see the battle that's going on between the buyers and the sellers here. Now, in order for me to actually know that the buyers won, they need to bring that price up to 117.50 for me. If I see them do that, then I know that our price prediction is actually correct right now. If they fail at doing that and price in AMD actually comes up here, like let's say that the market in AMD comes up here, but then it comes back down. That tells me that they were not successful. They need to let the market in AMD close above 117.50 on strength. If that doesn't happen, then I'm here to tell you I'm looking forward to the market to go down. Okay, so we're going to leave this alone for the time being. We're going to come back and see how well the buyers did. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.